Hey everyone, welcome back to the concert hall. I'm Sunny. I hope everyone is having a super amazing day. It's great to be back here. It's great to be playing. Okay, there are a couple of notes before we get on with today's lesson. And today's lesson isn't anything that heavy duty. We're just going to put it all together. So far in our little journey of bebop, which is going to spill over into uh, hard bop and then modern jazz, right? It's going to be really sneaky. Stick with the program. All right, whatever. Um, so far in the program, we have ascending into the root or chord tone, ascending, descending, and a three-note enclosure on the third of the dominant chord and of the tonic. And you could wrap other things. So that's what we've got so far. And today I'm going to show you examples and we'll put some music in. Blah, 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 blah. All right, here we go. So we're still okay, so that's the deal. Cue the introduction. Jazz! I think I understand jazz! I think I can. Oh man, that guy played something so good. Whatever. He's never gonna understand jazz then. Alright, enough nonsense. Hope everyone's having a super amazing day. Welcome back to the concert hall. I'm Sunny. And I have another channel, TheSunnySide, right? You might want to check that out. It's kind of fun. Alright, here we go. So here we go. My Little Suede Shoes. So we're just going to work on the A section. And the A section is 2-5-1, then 2-5-1, right? Four chords, 4 bars there. And then in the second 4 bars, it's 2-5, then goes up 3-6, and then settles in 2-5-1. So what you get is, and I'm not going to play it for you the way you guys are used to hearing it. You're used to hearing like 2-5-1, but that kind of is not how we're playing. We're playing motion to rest into the because all these licks that you hear, because you'll hear this is how the music is written. So this is how we're playing the music. So we're gonna play into the 2, into the 5, into the 1, and that's a phrase, right? 2-5-1, and then so let me just demonstrate it for you. Today's about demonstrating stuff because I'm a little on the dragged outside. So descend into the 2, descend into the 5, descend into the 1. In my key, descend into the G, descend into the C, descend into the F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Let's do it twice because it's like 2-5-1, 2-5-1. All right, let's do 2-5. So now we're going to go descend into the G, descend into the C, and then we're going to descend into the A, then D, then back to G, C, and down. All right, that's all lame, right? Okay, I get it. I'm the one who's going to have to sit there and transcribe this for you guys. So, like, whatever. I'm going to lame it out several times. All right, let's just chill. Okay, so that's how the song goes 2-5-1, 2-5-1, 3-6. 2-5, 3-6, 2-5-1. So we can play descend into the. I'm going to just take it on the G minor chord. We can descend into the G minor. Right? From 3 notes above. 1, 2, 3. All right, into the G. We can ascend into the G. E, F, F sharp, G. All right, so that's all we can do on G for today. So but we're gonna mix it up. Now on C, we can descend into the C. F, E, D, C. 1, 2, 3. C's on beat 3, so it's 1. Okay, descend into the C, or ascend into the C7. So A, B flat, B, C. All right, so either descend or ascend. One more thing we can do is we're going to add an enclosure. And there was a video for enclosures. I think I shot it a couple of times, but I was really bummed out because I was going through all the drag stuff, right? So, I didn't publish it because it wasn't that fun. All right. So, but you can enclose some notes here. You can enclose the third. for today, anyways. You can close whatever you want, but here for oh no. All right, anyways. So F, D, E flat, E. We're gonna enclose the C. All right, there's music. It's not a big deal, and so that's the deal. So for C, either descend into the C, ascend into the C, or enclose the third. All right, and when we get to the F, the do, I mean the root, call it do because it's your money chord, Sonny. I play jazz. There's no such thing as a money chord in jazz. Yeah. Oh my God. All right, here you go. Well, you guys know what to play on F major, right? You guys know what to play on the 1. Oh yeah, Sonny, let me at it, Sonny. She's looking right at me, Sonny. Let me do it. Dude. That's a bad idea, man. Oh, F major. Here I go. Oh, my mom loves when I practice this stuff. Sonny, she's looking right at me. Yeah! Dude, why did you do that? Like, why did you play like no? That means rest. That means we're the opposite of what you just did. Oh my God. All right, enough jokes. Here we go. All right. Into the F, descend into the F from the B flat. Ascend. Okay, F major. We're gonna ascend from the D. Okay, we've all done this in other videos. Now we're gonna wrap the third. We're gonna wrap A, B flat, G, A flat, A. If I'm moving too fast, slow it down. How long have we been doing this video now? Oh my God, 8 minutes. Oh, wow. You guys ready? That's all we have to work with. Here we go. That's it. That's all we have to work with. Now check this out. Thanks for sticking along to this part in the video. You know there's a lot of blah, blah. In all my videos, there's a lot of blah, blah. Okay, My Little Suede Shoes. Listen to how it starts. 1, 2, 3. It's C, F, A, our pickups into the G. Just like we're playing on our bebop thing, man. We're playing into the G. And the melody for My Little Suede Shoes is into the G. It's F major triad into the G. You don't have to worry about F major triad or anything. We're just playing into the G today. And so, but that's the melody. Right? And then it's our exercise. It's written in the melody. It's really neat. It's why we're doing this one. Okay? Just check it out. So just into the G. Right off the top of the song. Neat. Let's try our approach. Ascending into the G. All right, whatever. We're going to do something different. Okay, but like, all right, now descending into the G. All right. And the original now, the melody. All right. Kind of neat, huh? Different ways to do it. We're already embellishing it. But you have to figure out what sounds the best to you, right? What works and what sounds the best to you. And, according to whatever style you're trying to play. You know all that Lenny Niehaus stuff, all those Lenny Niehaus etudes? Excuse me. They're all a little different. Like each level is like different music. I know it looks like they're adding accidentals and they're displacing things. Like it gets quite complicated. And so it all depends on how you want to play and how you like to sound. It's pretty neat. Anyways, this is what we're learning today. Okay, so here we go. So that's the deal. So follow along, play along, practice along. We only have 3 things. Ascending into, obviously down the road, like next week. Like we're going to work ascending into the 3rd, ascending into the 5th, and all that stuff. And different types of embellishments. But here we go. All right, here we go. Follow along. We're going to loop the A section. But now I'm going to play our things into it. Okay, so check it out. Check out the music. Nice and simple. Right? Up into G and then all the way down. Okay, from the top. Here we go. All right, so what are we going to play here? Hey, that was okay. That was okay. And that's all we have available for us right now. Let's try some other ones. Well, that was pretty hip. Let's put it in the song. That was pretty hip. Did I miss anything? Did I miss a bar? I think that's it. Oh man, I guess I'll have to transcribe it and see what happens. Okay, okay, let's concentrate. And I'm just gonna play using our rules now. And instead of trying to make it up and project, I'm just gonna use what we have. These three things, and check it out. And you write your own, make up your own, practice it. This is My Little Suede Shoes. We're gonna put it into rhythm changes next. All right, but My Little Suede Shoes. I think that was right. I don't think I added anything there. Okay, from the top again. All right. How much time do we have? That's it. 15 minutes, right? All right, guys. Well, that's it. There's your lesson for today. Sorry for being so macabre. I wishing everybody a super amazing day. It's been really difficult here on the sunny side, but whatever. Like one of my buddies said a long time ago. I haven't talked to anybody in like 20 years, but like really a long time ago, one of the guys said, "You know what, Sonny man, we go through a lot of nonsense on these gigs, but you know what? A day of playing music beats a day not." And that's the action. From the TheSunnySide.net, I'm Sunny wishing, or I guess the TheSunnySideMusic.com. Anybody want any lessons? Usually I'd say go bug someone else, but I'm going back to work soon. So like wishing everybody the best of a super amazing day. Keep playing music, keep making mistakes, and remember, always play pretty music. Always play beautiful music, whatever that means to you. And I'll see you guys.